You've probably heard before that we have only a few precious seconds when we meet someone before they make a decision whether they like us or not. Therefore, it's critical that you make a killer impression immediately. Imagine meeting a prospect that decides in the first 10 seconds that it probably won't work with you. What a waste of your time and talent. In the next few minutes, I'll share with you 5 things you can do each time you meet with a new client or a prospect so you can start on the right foot. First, be on time. Very often, people who hire personal trainers are busy people who are hiring a professional so they can worry about one less thing. The first step to make a killer impression is to be right on time. Show them that you're a professional who respects their time. If your appointment is at 5 p.m., be on the lookout for your prospect starting at about 4:55. If you greet them right on time, they don't have to worry that you're flaky or unreliable. The second point for making a great first impression are posture and body language. As you know, nonverbal communication plays a huge role when we interact with others. What you need to convey to your prospect is confidence and friendliness. Nobody would trust you or your services unless you show that you're confident in who you are and what you offer. Show that by walking and standing with a good posture and open body language. Try avoiding crossing your arms and legs. Lean in more towards your clients when you talk to them versus leaning back. Shake hands, high five, or fist bump and make eye contact. And to make your prospects feel even more welcome, pay attention to their body language and their voice, and try to mirror their body language and their tone and intonation. And lastly, if your client is on the floor performing an exercise, squat down to watch them. Avoid awkward situations where your client is on the floor and you're standing. That leads us to point number 3. Smile and make eye contact. That will help you be perceived as friendly and approachable. Nobody wants to hire a trainer who looks like she's taking herself too seriously, she's grumpy, or tired. Don't let your nerves make you seem awkward or unapproachable. Some research shows that one of the main reasons people hire a trainer is their energy. Show that you have the good vibes they're looking for. Smiling as you walk to greet your prospect will show them this will be a pleasant experience from the very beginning. The first thing you can do to open the conversation is to give them credit for showing up. Acknowledge the fact that meeting with a trainer is a big step that could be scary. You can even crack a joke that opening the gym door is the hardest exercise. Showing them that you understand their fears will show them that you're an empathetic person and you're probably going to be able to meet them where they're at right now. As a trainer, empathy is one of your strongest assets. The sooner you use it with your prospects, the faster you'll be able to build a strong foundation for the relationship. As you know, business, personal training, and sales is all about building relationships. And we are arriving at point number 5. Look professional. I am never going to get tired speaking about the importance of looking sharp even when you work in a gym. The bar is so low already. Nobody expects you to wear more than some sort of athletic attire. If you want to run a profitable and sustainable business, please consider dressing as professional as possible. There are countless benefits, but I'll just name a few. Be the trainer that looks like a fitness specialist. As such, you gain more trust, respect, and money. Clients are not going to trust you because you've been able to get in shape. That's too low of expectation. They hire a trainer for what that person could do for an average Joe and Jane. Of course, you know how to work out so you can be in a great shape. Nobody's questioning that. So there's no need to show off your gains to prove it. Worry about showing them that you can help them with their goals while they're juggling their busy lives. Clients can be intimidated by how fit you are and may get worried that you expect the same from them. If you cover up, they'll be able to focus on what you're trying to say and not on what you're looking like. We're selling our personal training services, not our good looks. Of course, it helps to look great, but they can tell that even if you're not wearing a crop top. Trust me. These were the 5 main points that you want to check off mentally before you meet with a prospect. Remember, there is no need to worry. They'll be a lot more nervous than you are, so take a few breaths and go change your lives. My secret for relaxing before meeting with a prospect is to set an intention. that I hope that this consultation leads to the best possible outcome for everyone involved. That way, I take the pressure off myself to perform and I can focus on connecting and my 5 points I listed earlier. At the end of the day, not everyone is an ideal fit for us. Keep an open mind and focus on being of service in the next 1 hour. And if you're a personal trainer who enjoys learning about running your own business, to grow, and to connect with other great PTs in the industry, join us for a Trainers on Fire Mastermind. We meet virtually once per week for resources, accountability, support, and motivation. You don't have to run this business alone. Find us on trainersonfire.com/mastermind or find the link in the description of the video.